Hi there! Thank you for your interest and visit on Psychology Corner. If you're familiar with the website, then you already know that the subjects addressed the most in my articles can be linked to two main concepts: assertiveness and critical thinking. But if you are new, you may wonder why that is. Why, on a website dealing mainly with everyday psychology, assertiveness and critical thinking advocacy and use became central? Why, out of all the segments of personal development, did I prioritize the activation of assertive mindsets and behaviors? And why do I think assertiveness pairs well in the fields of both personal and social optimization with critical thinking skills? This is what I will address in this video. Keep watching.
First, a few basic things about assertiveness. Assertiveness is the complex ability to think, emotionally react, and act in a way that is non-passive and non-aggressive. It's about being able to openly express your opinions, feelings, desires, and goals. It's about knowing and exercising your rights while at the same time respecting the rights of others. It's about being your authentic self while being surrounded by others who also allow themselves to be who they want to be. I promote and teach assertiveness-related principles and skills because they have the potential to positively impact a person's inner dynamic, their social interactions, and through these changes, we can build a new and improved social fabric based on mutual respect, collaboration, and common goals. I believe that a shared mindset that is predominantly assertive can build an environment that supports both individual and social growth. When a person is mainly guided by assertive principles, they see people as fundamentally equal, while at the same time they are able to celebrate the individual differences that make each of us unique. Assertiveness builds the foundation for social equality, personal responsibility, an internal sense of control over one's own life, and the acceptance of social and cultural diversity. It sets the scene for extended collaboration, where each individual feels worthy and part of a community that considers and responds to their needs, and which values the role of each individual in the accomplishment of common, significant goals. In short, this is why I promote and teach assertiveness-related skills. Predominantly assertive individuals can build a predominantly assertive society. This would mean fewer conflicts, less division, more collaboration, and more impressive, significant results. Compare this perspective to the world we now live in. But impressive as it may seem on its own, assertiveness is not enough, and this is why I connected to critical thinking skills. Being able to think critically basically means to be able to assess data and draw conclusions in a manner that follows a logical process. It's the thing rational thoughts, beliefs, and behaviors are made of. Critical thinking allows you to differentiate sensational but false claims from valid ones. Since one of the barriers toward our predominantly assertive selves implies automated flawed thinking patterns or cognitive distortions, the careful analysis of our thoughts becomes the most important thing in the process of building an assertive mindset. Being able to identify and remodel these thinking patterns into ones that comply with the principles of logic is one of the first steps in becoming more assertive. This segment can be extended with the analysis of logical fallacies and many other elements that can allow the creation and assimilation of rational thinking patterns. This, in return, will support the optimization of assertive traits. It's a cycle, actually. Critical thinking generates assertiveness, and assertiveness supports the expansion of critical thinking.
My vision is simple, really. Critical thought leads to better humans. Better humans lead to better societies. And better societies lead to better results. And by better, I mean more than what we globally have now. Right now we can see a lot of unjustified criticism, a lot of useless and preventable conflict. So a world where we can diminish or even eliminate these things is, in my opinion, a better world. I hope this video clarified my interest in using assertiveness and critical thinking as the main lenses on Psychology Corner. I also hope it brought more clarification regarding my extended intentions that go beyond the individual towards societies.